Hey guys, and welcome back. These are moments that will make you say, wow. I don't know what that is, but he's got something crawling under his skin. I think he has some things living under his face. The frog got so mad when he found out what was happening, he went straight for the thumb. Those aren't bugs. That's just his soul trying to leave his body. Bro's blood cells are about to get a serious downgrade. I don't think that's supposed to be there, lady. Imagine falling asleep with your mouth open and this thing comes crawling out. He's got a built-in alarm system. That's the itchiest bracelet I have ever seen. He should take it off. At this point, it's their fridge now. Just throw that thing out. He's just helping her with her winged eyeliner. Sometimes what you're seeking is right in front of your eyes.
Whip scorpion, and you can see the shadow of those pincers, and I'm keeping my eyes shut. There's some pretty serious barbs on there.
Legend says he's still out there hitting balls. He's about to redecorate his microwave. He can't believe how good that flower tastes. He's literally out here just mowing the tulips. He had no idea what he was about to unleash. This isn't ASMR. This is just absolute weirdness. Why would you keep bugs? He hasn't sneezed for 4 years, and then this happened. My man is stuck in creative mode. He didn't even let her finish her sentence. He's sleeping on the couch tonight. He spent so much time on that just for it to do this. He's just taking his ghost horse for a ride.
Okay. Nothing unusual about it.
He really found an oasis in the desert.
How are you going to spend your life?
I do know.
This yacht comes with a drive-through for jet skis. That's actually a genius way to make some fries fast. If the coat by itself wasn't enough, the LED lights will impress anyone. That water is literally growing spikes on his feet. This is the most satisfying way to pop balloons. They're slicing this foam like a giant loaf of bread. This is why pressure washing is the best method. It's just firing lasers across the desk. Bro's lagging just a little bit. Ignore him. He's trying to stay a couple steps ahead of the competition. He has definitely dropped a few pizzas learning that. He's swinging that scythe like the Grim Reaper. So that's how they birth a plastic barrel. I had no idea this looked so cool. Bro just pulled the most beautiful sword out of the ice.
是你恐惧的明日生死。
I would not recommend using tomato as a deodorant. He's way too comfortable putting his hand in there. One chomp, and it's all over.
来，尝尝，好不好吃？
He's trying to wake up whatever lives in that tree. He perfectly balanced. That is the nastiest thing I've ever seen. So gross.
Money and hair gel, and then there's a layer of hair on top. And money. I went to a barber shop and I got a haircut, and then I got all the hair from the shop as well. So you get one grab.
All that work just so he could win a hamburger with legs.
That didn't backspin enough.
Yeah.
Did something weird. There you go.
That's one. Oh my gosh, that was great.
Heck yeah, that worked.
The man counting ran out of breath before the kids did.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20.
It's like the whole bin is alive. That ice just glitched out of existence. He didn't even make it past the first obstacle.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him.
That thing is moving like it has a mind of its own. That was not the strength test he signed up for.
Okay, ready? Yeah. How are you doing? You're doing really good. Okay, perfect.
He just rose back from the abyss like it was nothing. My guy got himself some bionic arms so that he could take perfect pictures. This dude really just learned how to fly. She just built herself a whole new head. That case definitely does not hold 10 cards.
10 cards! 10 cards! 10 cards!
My guy just met the final boss of the aquarium. She lost that fight with the wind immediately. That's one way to take your makeup off. He just threw a whole planet at those kids. That treadmill is holding on for dear life. Bro thought that was a swimming pool for a second. Bro really joined the penguin squad. Bro's hair is literally trying to escape. Bro really just surfed on a magical unicorn. Her eyeball is literally trying to escape. He's got something growing on his face. Bro found the portal to the next level. Legend says the jacket is still flying. Her hair has its own pit crew. He just created a galaxy on his floor. He just broke that guy's ankles on one leg. She just picked her drawing right up out of the snow. I don't think she meant to break the entire room. Man just shattered a perfect pair of hands. Bro is not buying a boat this summer. She's getting a direct infusion of flowers. Bro grew a whole flower in his nose. That's one way to be your own disco ball. He is moving like he has no bones. Bro's skeleton decided to take the day off. Those are some weird looking veins. He's about to meet the whole family. The background decided to just show up. He just unfolded the entire opera house. Imagine getting that zipper stuck on your eyeball. He got fully dressed before gravity kicked in. His character animation is definitely bugged. The man carved a working pair of scissors out of pencil lead. So, this is how brains are made. Alright, this is just straight up disgusting. She pulled a smaller bubble right out of the big one. He's in a war against brain freeze.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This dough has a mind of its own. I don't know what this is supposed to accomplish, but good job to them, I guess. The ghosts are actually hunting you in this one. That is one way to sit down on the ground. His footwork is literally putting out the candles. He's a legend for pulling that off.
Whoa! Yeah!
They are literally out here acting like dogs to distract the other team. That's one way to keep your mouth shut. He really just poured the whole bucket on them. I think bro thinks he's a slug. That's how so much air ends up in the bags. The cashier genuinely asked him how he did that. He really needed to get that off his chest. He's pulling invisible threads out of that water. Bro unhinged his jaw for that drink. I hope it tasted good. This is what pranks are meant to be. Fun and harmless.
Make you say anything I want, like, I farted. No. I farted so big.
My guy built a small labyrinth on his bald head. This is the final boss of all climbing gyms.
When you're ready, you can put this behind.
My man weighs literally 3 grams.
Teensy tiny. 3.0 gram.
Bro is eating Nutella with a potato masher, which honestly sounds really good. He used them as a moving sidewalk. That is absolutely insane. He's trying to outrun the bug in the system. He pressed the street's flush button. They took his head clean off. Bro fought the machine, and sadly, the machine won. This is what anxiety looks like as a football drill. Bro is playing a video game in real life. He got completely swallowed by that fish.
Oh, he's like, no.
This tiny little construction rewards only perfection. He really put his whole body into that swing. This is some next level pizza cutting technology. Bro is playing volleyball on hard mode, because regular volleyball is just too easy for him. Imagine falling into that endless ice hole. I guess you can still say that he used his sword to open the bottle. So this is what it's like to be inside an orange. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tab 1 of the studios, tab 1 which looks the best for you because not me, YouTube itself thinks you will love it. So you have to figure out the reason for that.